Tonight we're making Cynful sausage stew. We're going to start by cutting our onions. When we set it down on the table, we'll cut it in half and then cut slices down from the top. Also cut your peppers into bite-sized pieces. With our mushrooms, we're going to remove the stem and cut them in half if they're too big. Next, we're going to take our garlic and we're going to cut it as thin as we can. Take your baby red potatoes and cut them in half and put them in a bowl. If you're going low carb, substitute the zucchini and the yellow squash instead. Because we're doing our sausage, we're going to switch from our wooden cutting board to our polyurethane cutting board. Now that we have our polyurethane cutting board, we can go ahead and slice this sausage. Cut into 1/2 or 3/4 inch rounds. In a large mixing bowl, we have our peppers and our onions. To that, we're going to add our mushrooms, garlic, sausage, and potatoes. Next, using your hands, toss the vegetables in the bowl until they are well combined. Next, add your olive oil. Your salt and your pepper. And your Cynful Italian seasoning mix. Toss until the olive oil is covering the vegetables and the seasonings are nicely combined. Cut your butter in about 7 to 10 pieces and set it aside for a minute. Grab a 9x13 glass or aluminum baking dish and pour the sausage and vegetable mixture into your baking dish. And place your pats of butter over the top of the sausage and vegetable mixture. Cover the dish tightly with foil. And poke a few holes in the foil to allow the steam to vent. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 1 hour or until the potatoes are fork tender. After an hour, take it out of the oven and remove the foil. Come and get it! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, nothing brings people together like good food.